Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix green screen problem on your iPhone iOS 18. So first up, you just need to force restart your iPhone. To do that, first tap and hold the volume up and volume down on the left side of your phone, and then press and hold the power button, then it will force restart. So by this method, it should be fixed the issue. Now, if the problem persists, the next method that we can do is by applying display settings. So go to your settings on your iOS device and then just have to go to display and brightness. So from here, so tap on it and then go to the section which you can where you can adjust the brightness and make sure True Tone is enabled. Now, if the problem persists, the next method is by updating your iOS. So go to settings and here go to general and then from here go to software update and make sure that you download the latest update of your iOS software or iOS device. So you can just basically open our Wi-Fi or internet connection and then just have to tap on the update now button. Now, the next way that you can do to fix the issue is by checking for app updates. To do that, go to your App Store, and then from here, you can easily go to your profile icon at the top right hand corner, and then you will find here the app section where you find the apps that need some updates. Now, another way to fix the issue is by uninstalling recently installed apps. So recently installed apps is one of the reasons why you have this issue, green screen issue. So you just need to tap and hold on the apps on your home screen, tap on remove app, and then tap on delete app. Finally, if the problem persists, the last thing that we can do is resetting all settings. So go to your settings here and then open up the general. Now at the bottom, you can just basically tap on this transfer or reset iPhone. Finally, tap on reset all settings. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.